Okay, so imagine this. You have got the most fire video ever, like an Oscar worthy kind of video. But guess what? If your title sucks, nobody's clicking. That means zero views or just maybe a handful. So, do you want to know how to slap together those viral video titles that pull in thousands or even millions of views? Let's break it down together. Today, we are talking about YouTube titles. Not just any titles, the kind that make people stop scrolling and click like their life depends on it. By the end of this video, your videos are going to be popping off like crazy. Trust me. Titles matter more than you think. Your title is like the outfit your video wears to a party. If it's boring, nobody's going to notice. But if your title is fire, everybody's going to want to talk to it. That means everybody's going to want to click on your video. Titles decide if someone clicks or they just keep scrolling. And here is the kicker. YouTube's algorithm loves videos with high click-through rate. That is CTR. So a killer title is basically your golden ticket to the algorithm's good side. I mean, who doesn't want to be on the algorithm's good side? Everybody wants the algorithm to favor them. And after this video, you will learn the tricks to make the algorithm not just favor you, but take your video and serve to people like crazy. Now, these are the proven title formulas that work every time. 3 of them, and the number 1 is curiosity-driven titles. Stuff like, you are using YouTube wrong. Here is why. People can't resist clicking when they feel like they are missing out on something. When you make them feel like there's something that they are doing wrong, and you have the reason why, they would click. You know, it makes them feel that I'm losing out on something. Let me know why. 2, listicles, numbers, and guides. You know, titles like 10 mistakes new YouTubers make. Avoid this. Every YouTuber who comes across this kind of title would want to click because they want to know, what kind of mistake would I be making? Maybe there is a mistake somewhere that I have been making, but let me just watch it. Even if they are not making any mistake, they were just going to watch the video just so to be on the safe side. And everybody loves a guide list, like especially if it promises to save them time or money, you know, or save them the stress or the pain of going through something. So this is a killer title strategy. And 3, before and after, or case studies. And then titles like, I tried this strategy for 30 days. Here is what happened. You know, people love a good story, especially if it's a good and transformation or a big reveal about something that you have tried. And most especially if it's in a particular niche, they would want to know it because, I mean, you've tried it and this is what you discovered, or this is the result. So they will equally want to give it a try, just so to save them the hassle of experiencing the same thing that you have experienced before. Now, this is how to test and improve your titles. This is where it even gets a lot more exciting. See, you don't just throw out your titles out there and hope for the best. Nah, you got to test it. Use YouTube's thumbnail titles preview or the A and B testing titles from TubeBuddy to test it out before you launch it out there. Then check your analytics to see which ones are getting the most clicks. I did make a video about how to check your analytics to check if your YouTube title and thumbnails are doing well. This is the thumbnail of the video. If you're done watching this video, go watch that video. And when you're done checking your titles, checking your analytics to see which ones are getting the most clicks, do not forget to sprinkle in some little power words here and there. You know, stuff like insane, shocking, or game changer. Those little words can make a huge difference when you include them in the title of your video. All right, your turn. What is the best YouTube video title that you have ever come up with? Drop it in the comment section and let's see who's got the most click-worthy one. And hey, if you have ever or you are feeling stuck stuck in any way as regard YouTube, I am right here. Just hit me up. I've got your back and I'll explain everything to you, all right? Because I want you to do well on the YouTube street. I love you. Click on the video on the screen right now and I will see you right there.